What's up, everyone? We're just going to open up our QuickTrick Alignment. We're going to put it on a 2013 Audi A4 and have a look at the alignment settings. I'll show you where we're at. So I've chosen the 3-inch slot, right? So the rulers at the front of the front heads and the rear of the rear heads have little slots. So that's where I put my string. So basically the two on the front, I compare to each other. So I can look straight down here, bang on 3 inches, and obviously that one's right in the 3 inches. So in the front, I'm running 0 toe. So I might actually toe that in a little bit. If I compare the rear, this one is about just under 3 1/4, so just over 3 1/8 in. And then again, I chose the 3-inch over here. So what that means is I have a bit of toe in. You can even see it here on the bar, toe in the rear on the driver's side. If I look at the other side, in the rear, there's my 3-inch again, and then I go to the front and it's about 3 1/4. So I have about 1/4 inch toe in on this side. On the front, pretty much 3 inches here and 3 inches here. So it just confirms in the front we're running 0 toe. And then if I look back, you can actually see the toe in on the rear. That's toed in a fair bit. So I think I'm going to knock the toe down in the rear and maybe just a tiny bit of toe in the front.